Good morning. Happy Friday. Today's Friday, March 20th, 2020. Today's number story is the same as yesterday's, so instead of looking at the number story today, we are going to look at practice problem number 2 for math. And that problem is, Mr. Hernandez is moving to a new apartment and has to figure out what furniture he can bring. He has 2 different tables. Table A, so that's some important information. Table A is 10 feet long, right? And table B is 20 feet long. Okay, so we have 2 different types of tables. I'm gonna jot down here the table A is 10 feet long, and table B is 20 feet long. Just so I'm remembering what's actually important in this problem, because this problem is very long. He only wants to bring one type of table. He wants the tables to fit against one wall and fill the length of the 40-foot wall. And what that means, to fill the length, right, is meaning that the tables are going to fill the entire wall. And we're gonna put the tables together so that they fit across the whole wall. So letter A says, how many table A's will fit along his wall? So if we go back to what we jotted, we know that table A is 10 feet long. So what I'm going to do is draw one table A and label it 10, because I know that that table is 10 feet long. Great. That's my first table A. And I'll label it A so I remember that it's 10 feet, right? If I draw another table A right next to it, that table is also 10 feet long. That's table 2. If I draw a third table, that's also 10 feet long. And I'm gonna start counting so I know how much I've counted so far. So this is 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet. So I'll need one more table to fit along the 40-foot wall, right? Yes. So my answer for table A would be 4 table A's. So now on part B, it says how many table B's will fit along the same wall. And again, the wall is 40 feet long. So instead of 10 feet now, table B is 20 feet long. So again, I'm going to draw a table. Notice how I'm drawing it a little bit bigger than this table. And this table is 20 feet long. That's my first table B. So far, we've covered 20 feet. If I draw another one, it's also 20 feet long. And down below, we can write a number sentence to prove our thinking that 20 plus 20 is 40, because we know that 2 plus 2 is 4. So my counting on top of here would be 40, right? And the wall's 40, so we're there. And then my answer would be that 2 table B's can fit along the 40-foot wall. So even though the question's really, really long and there's lots of words in it, you want to be able to pick out the most important parts that you're going to need to know. That table A is 10 feet long, table B is 20 feet long, and that the wall is 40 foot long, and he wants to fill the entire length.